This week in the Extension Plant Pathology lab at Montana State University, we inoculated winter wheat plants with Wheat Streak Mosaic Virus. Why would we do something like that? Wheat Streak Mosaic Virus is an important virus disease of cereal crops in Montana. It causes yellow streaking on the leaves, stunting, poor root growth, reduced water uptake, and lower yields. It is vectored by the wheat curl mite, a tiny, cigar-shaped mite that hides in the curled leaves of cereals and some grassy weeds, including cheatgrass. It can be really hard to see and is well protected from insecticides. Management of the disease is primarily accomplished by eliminating the green bridge, the presence of green plant material between the harvest of one crop and the planting of the next. Epidemics are primarily associated with hail events near crop maturity due to the volunteer wheat creating a green bridge. Epidemics can also spread when infected spring wheat is harvested next to emerged winter wheat in the fall, since mites are looking for green plant material to live on. In 2016, we had a widespread wheat streak epidemic in north central Montana after a hailstorm injured maturing wheat across 3 counties, followed by 400% of normal moisture and a warm fall. Compounding those issues, wheat prices were low and spending money on multiple applications of herbicide didn't make financial sense, even if growers could get equipment in the field. Without a severe drought in 2017, likely the disease would have kept going. A question we commonly receive when we have a plant disease epidemic is what varieties are resistant to the disease. Well, that's why we are spraying plants this week. Instead of using a mite, we can use an air compressor and spray infected plant juice mixed with tiny particles of ground glass at high pressure and infect plants. Graduate student Paul Lorenzo is testing breeding lines for resistance to the virus in the field, and these results will be used in variety development by the winter wheat breeding team led by Phil Bruckner. This research is supported by the Montana Wheat and Barley Committee.